Ever been on a keto diet and wondered why you're not losing weight? You're not alone. The keto diet, it's almost become a household name, hasn't it? A diet that's high in fats, moderate in proteins, and low in carbs, promising rapid weight loss and other health benefits. You've probably heard the success stories, seen the before and after photos and thought, hey, why not give it a go? So you dive in, swapping your bread for avocados, your pasta for zucchini spirals, but despite your best efforts, the scale doesn't seem to budge. It's a common problem, a keto diet dilemma that leaves many scratching their heads. It's frustrating, we get it. You're putting in the work, making the changes, but the results just aren't showing. But don't worry, we've got some insights that might just help you out. Meet Jane, a fitness enthusiast who faced this exact problem. Imagine a woman invigorated by the idea of the keto diet, ready to embrace a new lifestyle. Jane was thrilled to embark on this journey, having heard about the incredible transformations and health benefits. She dove in, headfirst, meticulously planning her meals, ensuring they were low in carbs and high in fats. Jane was diligent, never wavering from the keto guidelines. However, weeks turned into months, and to her dismay, the scales remained stubbornly the same. She felt like Sisyphus, forever pushing a boulder uphill, only for it to roll back down. The frustration was palpable. Jane had expected to see changes, but instead she was met with stagnation. This was not the journey she had envisioned. But Jane didn't give up. She figured out what she was doing wrong and turned things around. That's the spirit of a true warrior, isn't it? The ability to face challenges head-on and rise above them. So what did Jane do differently? She found out the top 5 reasons why she wasn't losing weight and fixed them. Firstly, Jane realized she wasn't eating enough fats. Yes, even on a keto diet you need fats. She started incorporating more healthy fats into her meals, like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats helped her to stay satiated, reducing the need for snacking or overeating. Secondly, she discovered she was consuming too many carbs. Even though she was eating keto-friendly foods, some of them still contained hidden carbs. She started paying closer attention to food labels and reduced her intake of foods like root vegetables that are high in carbs, but often sneak into a keto diet. Thirdly, Jane had overlooked her total calorie intake. She assumed that because she was on a keto diet, she didn't need to pay attention to calories. But she learned the hard way that calories do matter. She started tracking her calorie intake and made sure she was in a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Fourthly, she wasn't moving enough. Physical activity is crucial when you're trying to lose weight, no matter the diet. Jane started incorporating regular exercise into her routine, even if it was just a brisk walk around the block. Lastly, Jane was stressed. Stress can wreak havoc on your body and can cause weight loss to stall. She started implementing stress management techniques like yoga and meditation to help manage her stress levels. Each of these 5 reasons was a piece of Jane's weight loss puzzle. Once she addressed them, she started seeing the results she wanted. It wasn't easy and it required some changes, but it was worth it. Remember, the keto diet isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about finding what works for you, and sometimes that involves some trial and error. Jane turned her keto journey around, and so can you. Now it's your turn to apply these fixes and overcome your keto diet hurdles. Embrace the opportunity to tweak your diet plan, making it work uniquely for you. There's no one-size-fits-all solution here. Your journey is your own, and it's through personal experiences and trials that you'll find what truly works for you. So don't be shy. Give these changes a go. Share your experiences with us. Remember, every journey is unique, and your story could inspire someone else. That's all for today's video. We hope you found our insights on the keto diet helpful and enlightening. If you enjoyed this content and found it useful in your journey towards a healthier you, please give us a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more practical tips and tricks. We're here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.